These cupcakes are light and fluffy, with the exact sweetness for the chocolate orange buttercream to stand out. The chocolate and orange in the buttercream is the perfect combination of flavors. Oranges are sweet, which suits the bitterness of the chocolate. Preheat your oven to 350 grad Fahrenheit. You'll also need to line one cupcake tin with 12 cupcake liners. In a bowl, add the eggs and beat just enough to break the yolks. Add the fresh orange juice. Zest half of an orange and add it to the bowl. Also add the vanilla and granulated sugar. Mix until well combined. Add the vegetable oil and mix. In a separate bowl, add the yogurt and baking soda. Mix until the baking soda is completely incorporated. You will be able to see small bubbles forming. In the bowl of the egg mixture, add the yogurt and baking soda mixture. Gradually add the flour through a sieve. Mix to incorporate all the flour into the mixture. The cupcake batter should be free from lumps and thin enough to pour into a pan. Pour the batter into the cupcake tin. Fill your cupcake liners 2/3 full, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Place your cupcake tin into the center of your preheated oven and bake for 10 to 20 minutes. When your cupcakes are baked, a toothpick in the center of the cupcake should come out clean. For making the orange custard for the frosting, you'll need to add milk in a saucepan and the zest of the orange. Mix gently with a whisk. Now, add 2 tablespoons of the sugar. And the vanilla extract. Place on low heat and slowly heat. This smells amazing. In a mixing bowl, add the egg yolks, flour, cornstarch, and the remainder of the sugar. Mix well. Once the milk mixture begins to feel warm, gradually pour it into the egg yolk mixture, whisking as you go. Continue adding in small increments until all the milk is incorporated into the egg yolks. Once all the milk is added, pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan and continue to heat, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. Whisk the custard the whole time and don't step away. Stop heating when the custard can coat the back of a spoon and your finger leaves a trail there. Pass the custard through a sieve into a medium bowl to remove the pieces of orange zest. Melt your dark chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments and add to the orange custard. Stir until it is completely smooth and incorporated. Cover the chocolate orange custard in plastic wrap, making sure it touches the surface. Let it cool completely and chill for around 2 hours or so. In a bowl, add your softened butter and confectioners sugar. Mix the ingredients together. Continue mixing with an electric mixer. Beat the butter and sugar until it is pale and creamy, about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, add the cocoa powder and around 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Beat until everything is combined. Gradually add small increments of the chilled custard, 1 spoon at a time, whipping as you go. It should be smooth and thick.